Yeah?
And honestly, it's the first time I've had him out of the chair since I worked with him. So this is
Seriously?
Yeah, we'll have to watch it here.
oh my gosh, yeah, that's awesome. You're good, Zach. You're in good hands. You're in good hands. Back safe and sound. Yeah, I will. I'll just come around. Just chill. Yeah, no, we'll go.
Yeah, you might have to
So back.
click the move button and then move back. Like
So was that fun?
yeah.
Oh my gosh. Awesome. Awesome. And we even got him muddy, right?
We like mud.
Yes. This is awesome. Oh my gosh. How great is
Yeah,
that?
that went well.
Oh, are you kidding me?
That's the truck drive of a lifetime.
Yeah, I would say.
Everybody, it's Corey. We're here at the Soshore Expo. Just saw the most incredible thing. I watched you, Zach, and Amanda go on the monster truck ride. It was incredible to watch, but I wanted to do a quick video clip to ask you what you thought of the monster truck.
It was a really unique experience, and I'll never do anything like that again. So I was glad that I got to do it. It was really fun.
Were you scared?
Yeah, the first one I was scared, but then I got used to it after the first run around, and then we went a couple more times, so it was really fun.
Did you get muddy?
Yeah.
We love mud.
Absolutely. Zach and I have done a lot of crazy things together, but we have yet, this tops it all, for sure.
So we're really excited. Did I hear you say, Amanda, that was the first time Zach had been out of the chair?
Out of the chair since I've worked with him.
Okay, so
100%. And it was amazing to be there for
It
that.
was a great experience.
Yeah.
So everybody, my name's Corey. I'm the event and account manager here for the Soshore Expo. I just happened to, on my travels, see this. It was so special.
Great.
I had to ask Zach and Amanda about this. So you got to come out and join us in the monster truck. It is raining. It is muddy, and
Awesome.
It's
it is
fun
awesome.
though.
Get muddy.
Bye.
Bye.